Hey everyone, welcome back to Mediater. Today I'm going to walk you through the step by step process of starting your journey as a content creator. Whether you are passionate about beauty, gaming, cooking, or anything in between, becoming a content creator is an exciting and rewarding venture. So let's dive right in. Step 1. Identify your niche. What are you passionate about? What topics do you know inside and out? Finding your niche is crucial for attracting and retaining an audience who shares your interests. Brainstorm ideas, consider your hobby, expertise, and what you enjoy talking about the most. Remember, the more specific you niche, the easier it is to stand out in a crowded space. Step 2. Define your platform. Now that you know your niche, it's time to choose where you will share your content: YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or maybe even starting a blog or podcast. The options are endless. Each platform has its own strengths and audience demographics. So choose one that aligns with your content style and target audience. Step 3. Create high quality content. Content is king. Whether it's video, photos, articles, or podcasts, focus on delivering value, entertainment, or information to your audience. Invest time in learning how to create high quality content. Practice your skills, experiment with different formats, and find your unique style. Step 4. Be consistent. Consistency is key to building a loyal audience. Set a posting schedule and stick to it, whether it's daily, weekly, or monthly. Make sure your audience knows when to expect new content from you. Consistency not only keeps your audience engaged, but also signals to platforms like YouTube that you are a reliable creator worth promoting. Step 5. Engage with your audience. Your audience is your biggest asset. Respond to comments, messages, and feedback to build a strong connection with your viewers. Show your audience that you value their input and make them feel like a part of your community. Step 6. Collaborate and network. Don't be afraid to reach out to other creators in your niche. Collaborations can help you reach new audiences and build valuable relationships within the community. Networking with other creators also opens up opportunities for learning and growth. Step 7. Promote your content. Creating great content is only half the battle. You also need to promote it. Use social media, SEO strategies, and email newsletters to get your content in front of more people. Be strategic when promoting your content across different channels to maximize your reach and engagement. Step 8. Learn and adapt. The digital landscape is constantly evolving, so stay informed about trends and changes in your niche and platform. Step 9. Monetize your content. Once you have built a loyal following, you can explore monetization options such as sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and selling merchandise. But remember, focus on providing value to your audience first and foremost. Step 10. Stay persistent and patient. Building a successful content creator takes time, effort, and patience. Don't get discouraged by slow growth or setbacks. Stay persistent, keep creating, and there you have it, a step-by-step guide to starting your journey as a content creator. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.